Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I've got a 2013 Harley Davidson Street Bob I want to show you. Really nice bike, got a nice look to it. Got a black powder coating. Comes with a 103 motor and a 6-speed. Forward mount foot controls with upgraded pegs and pedals. It's also got a set of mid-mount pegs here. Solo seat, spring solo seat. Set of progressive shocks. Nice tire on the back. Also been upgraded with a Vance & Hines 2-into-1 header. Got a nice sound. It's a good little performance mod as well. Screaming Eagle intake here. Screaming Eagle breather. Set of Z-bars with upgraded hand grips. It's got a real nice look. Check the miles on it. Fire it off for you. Yeah, the bike's only got 2,466 miles on it. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, so it's ready for the road. Like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can see our complete inventory online at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. It's got just a couple little spots on it, I think. Let me look and see here. I think that's just a little water spot there. Back fender looks pretty good. It's got a little, looks like a little rub right here. Tank looks nice. Front fender's in good shape. That's about the only thing I saw. Give us a call, 817-985-8888. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.